Hi, I'm Tyler Bellotti, and this is the final Wiki Jing video for the Introduction to Python class. So this is the last video we're doing for this class. And it's going to be about our final. So for this final project, we had to make a full-scale working program using almost everything we've learned thus far. So the parameters for this final were we had to use a menu-based program, or make a menu-based program that utilizes all the other major programs we made thus far, aka the temperature converter, the geometric converter, and the currency converter. So I'll show you how I went about doing that. So to make it, let's open it up. Python Final. This is what I did. I made the runner that runs the whole program. And then I had to make the menus. I made a main menu, which links to the other three menus. A temperature menu, a geometric menu, and the currency menu. And then all those three menus themselves can link back and forth to the main menu or to the formulas program. Now I'll show each of those to you separately. So first we'll show you the runner. This is the running program. It imports the three menus, or the main menu and then the other three menus, the formulas program, and I even added in a little credits program. And then it just runs the main menu, and it goes on from there. So let's start with the main menu. The main menu I made was actually very simple. I needed to import the three menus that it could transfer to, and I imported the credits so you can check the credits from the main menu. Obviously, you have the name and titles and stuff up top. And basically, this big square is what it's going to display to you. The welcoming, the information, and we have 1 for temperature conversions, 2 for currency, 3 for geometric, and 4 for end credits. And then the input. Please type your selection number, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then press enter. And depending on your selection, it'll go to a define in each of the other menus. So let's check. Oh, and if you type in the wrong thing, it gives you an error and allows you to go back and reset the main menu. So let's check the other menus, or at least let's check one of them. Let's go with the temperature menu. Here is the temperature menu. Looks fairly the same. I wanted them to look similar. Basically the same thing. It gives you the option to return to the main menu instead of credits. And instead of going to another menu, it goes to the formulas program. Same thing with the error. So let's check out the formulas program. And this is our formulas program. In this program, we had all the defines. Now there are easier ways to do it, but I made each and every one of the defines in it. And for the currency ones, they're a little bit different. They're a big define with a bunch of if statements depending on what you chose for the currency, similar to our currency converter program. And basically, the defines give you more versatility. I can move them around and use them in different ways, just by linking to each define. So we got we start out with the currency defines. There's the US dollars to foreign, and we go down to the foreign input, which is all of these go foreign back to US dollars. And then we have the defines for the temperature sections. I think I had 6 of those. And we had the defines for all the geometrics. I believe I had 7 for those. I could always do more and add more. Basically, a define will come in, it'll run this program, it'll make you input your numbers as floats, or convert them to floats, print the area after doing the equation, and then give you the input chance down here. Enter M for main menu or G for geometric menu to go back to the geo menu, and then press enter. If M is what you inputted, X equals main menu dot menu define. G, geo menu. Else, go back to the main menu. And that was basically the formula sheet. Just a bunch of those, and the imports to run all the main programs. So it wasn't actually that hard. So let's try and run it out. Oh, we also had the credits, but I'll show you that after. So we'll open the final, and then we'll test it out. And there it is. There's our main menu. Welcome to the Swiss Army Knife program. This program can perform many different formulas for you. Just pick from the list below. 1 is temperature, 2 is currency, 3 is geometric conversions, 4 and credits. So let's try temperature conversion. And it scrolls down to the next one. Now if you were in the DOS prompt, it's the perfect size to where you won't see the top. So you'll just see the new menu. So everything will be cut off from this down, but you'll still be able to scroll up and see it. So it'll go to this menu. So now we have to choose temperature conversion. Let's do Kelvin to Celsius. Let's choose 5. Enter. Let's do 100 degrees, or let's do 273 degrees Kelvin and convert it to Celsius. 0.14, so almost 0, because Kelvin is 273 plus some decimal points. So we got it right. Now we have the option to, let's press T and go back to the temperature menu. Back to the temperature menu. Let's try Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's convert 100 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. 100 degrees Celsius converts to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. So let's try something else. Let's try a mess. Oh, that is not a valid option. Press enter to return to the main menu. And here we are back to the main menu. So whenever you do something wrong, it should give you the option to reset or reset for you. Let's try a currency conversion. Now this one gives me a second option. Do I want to go US dollars to foreign or foreign US dollars? Let's go US dollars to foreign. The foreign currencies available are as linked below. Let's go with yen this time. Yen. Now enter the amount. $100 to yen. Your amount from US dollars is 10,955.2 yen. Yen is very similar to US dollars. Yen is basically cents, with a little bit rounded up. So you edit out the last two as cents, and you get $109. 109. It's very similar to ours. So let's hit M to go back to the main menu. Now let's hit geometric conversions. Let us find the area of a sphere. That is 6. Enter the sphere's area. Let's say 12. 12 is the radius. The area of your sphere is 1808.64. And there you go. Let's press M to go back to the main menu. And let's type 4 and let's see the end credits. And there's my end credits. Everything I wrote down. I just had fun with it. And now you press Enter to go back to the main menu. And that is my working program that encapsulated everything we've learned thus far. I like it. I think I did a good job on it. Well, that's all for this video. Maybe I'll see you again sometime. Goodbye.